This is Andrew Stotz of Stotz Investment Research, watching the street for Thailand. Remember, this is where we look at analyst consensus expectations. First, let's start off with consensus recommendations. And we can see here that the bottom-up country relative consensus recommendations for Thailand relative to the rest of the countries in Asia is a buy. So very much optimism there. They've been positive for the last 5 years. Now, let's look at companies with the most positive recommendations. One is Gonkun, which mainly produces electrical hardware used in renewable energy power generation. The share price is up 25%. Another company with the most negative recommendations, well, that's Thaicom, which focuses on industrial real estate. Analysts seem to think the stock is overvalued after almost 40% share price gain year to date. Let's continue on to earnings estimates. And what we can see here is that, as usual, analysts are optimistic versus what actually happens for earnings growth. And we can see that their optimism has them looking at the next 12 months or 1 year forward, expecting 10% earnings growth in Thailand. So you can pretty much be assured that earnings growth is going to be less than 10% for 2016 and 1 year forward. So what we can see is strong, for the companies with the highest consensus EPS growth, we can see strong EPS expectations because they've got exposure to coal and natural gas, such as Banpu, Rach, and Edgeco. And if we look at it, companies with the lowest consensus EPS growth estimates, well, True is expected to make a loss in 2016 following the expensive 4G auctions held in Thailand in late 2015. Unchanged estimates since August 2016. Finally, let's look at target price. Now we can see what analysts expect as far as upside is concerned, and we can see they're expecting a 10% upside in target price. And if we look at it, analysts have become more bullish. The 12-month forward is 10 versus 3 in August, the last time that we looked at this. And the set index is only at a slightly lower level right now. Now, companies with the highest consensus target price expected return, well, the high consensus target price expected return for Thaicom is partly explained by weak price performance, upside at 44%, versus 61 in August when we last looked at this due to target price downgrades. And what about companies with the lowest consensus target price expected return? Well, for the lowest return, only Thaicom, which is up 40%, has seen its share price increase less than 100%. My goodness. Want more of our research? Well, just sign up for our free newsletter at becomeabetterinvestor.net/join, and I'll see you